ya Crown Prince nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira kirangi ekyo boyigo kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingiya kirage kirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata kirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya boyigo kiriya cyamache inyuranga kirangi chiga nigo kire korwase kire kiri guririke iri gatigati wekariguri ry'abantu tabatinu boyigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya kirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke ya uru superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboyigo enekenga enyumba yawo use asomanyete use kireke byasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumigite kirangi cha Crown Paints eduke ya Uru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Uya kegima mwanti umurigerera umurogobo mya wiritwerigare juma ya kitarike 25 nemo mutinyo kyanda mwaka bw'ikirubere 25 nerituko lyarengeri tambe oseria bwate amangana mange anene mono emeyegaye byama byage siasa igabona arituko rero ikyonga CHINSA IKOMI amange nacho komanya kurwa sensemeri ya siasa abo ase byama anya bitatu se wetane bitatu byabwate misangerekano arituko rero musangerekane umutangani no muyega bwekia magiyode mu muyego gatatu bugo cengera emyaka 20 gesa ogo chakiwa wekia mekyo muyega okabere ne oyibwekia makia jupiri na bwego muyego gatatu go somusangiro na gatatu no oyibwekia makiria gya PLP go se People's Liberation Party kia ye masakarwa nchingoro wa Catherine Nyaboga Kevin Ongere kuri studio kabere kabana intugoika omwaro Natogo chakari tukoria rero inigo kiama gya ODM gya chenkera umujega otatu bwo chenkera emyaka 20 wesa go chakiwa wekia mekyo mujega okorekana asigetige kigosora imeye county ya Kisii urawa nere mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati mujego yo nigo abuli tangani konye orobere gosobangeire gose okagere go chiakora wanere more wekia mekyo omoskeraire Odinga korende tabeti kagwikera ase omuyegoyo nigo oikirano nabarai ao kurwase kiamekyo gati abo mugabana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga Fernandes Barasa na bwigo mugavana bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad Nasir Junet Mohamed na baraibande ase abarayabo cyasinkwana cyabo nigo bateba ikyame kike ODM nigo kiraje serikali nigo kiraje korose serikali ase abatori bore bose bo mwaka 2027 gose nigo baraje kubwatirana ne serikali engakeyo korose serikali asigia tiano sasa barayabatiana na bateba tibari go chiago so ase ensemeria upinzani gose ensemeria yo kuamiria serikali.
Lakini sisi tumejipanga, tutahakikisha ya kwamba ODM is going to form the next government or they will be part of the next government. ODM will never be called an opposition party again in this world.
Kwa sababu ya ushujaa wake ndiposa tunaona mambo ya ugatuzi tunaendelea sawa sawa. Na sisi kama wana ODM, jambo ambalo tunataka tufanye hivi sasa ni kuimarisha chama cha ODM. Na nakubaliana na karanja walio wachache katika bunge letu la kitaifa ya kwamba chama cha ODM mwaka wa 2027 kitaunda serikali ama tutakuwa in government. We are no longer going to be an opposition party in the Republic of Kenya.
Serikali ama tutafanya kazi pamoja tuunde serikali. Hakuna siku tena ODM itakaa nje ya serikali ya Kenya. Ikifika 2027 serikali ni ODM.
Leo hii Raila Amolo Odinga tena nataka kuambia, angalieni vyama vyote, kila mmoja baada ya kushika mamlaka, ikiwa hayuko tena katika mamlaka, chama kimekufa, kwa sababu those are parties that did not have the ideologies of the people. Chama cha ODM peke yake ndio chama ambacho kimeweza kuweka mizizi yake ndani ya hii Kenya. Ukienda Turkana unapata mwana ODM, ukienda Lamu unapata bwana ODM, ukienda Mombasa unapata mwana ODM. Vingine ni vyama vya maeneo tofauti tofauti, huyu anasema hii ni yangu, huyu anasema hii ni yangu. Hii ni chama peke yake ambao kwamba tumekataa ukabila. Hii ni chama peke yake ambao inaamini on the values of the people of this country, the only party based on social democracy and the just governance of the people of this country. Na mimi nataka kuambia maneno vile baba Raila Amolo Odinga amesema. Kwa sasa paka mwaka 2027 tunasema sisi tuko ndani ya broad based government. Na ikifika mwaka 2027 kama walivyotangulia wale wengine kusema, we will refuse to be in the opposition. Mambo ni mawili.
Mwancho umuligereria narayo agendera ritukoria rero korwa ase igetigie chigosori kere kia Gusii Stadium wekere gatigati yo mucho bosongo ase kiamekyo gia ODM boigobono kiare gochengera emyaka mirangevere gesa ogochakigwa kwayo. Mwancho umuligereria umuyega omonene bwekiamekyo nigo orache gokorekana omutinyi 10 gochakira chitariki kyanda gweka chitariki 12 ase county area ya Mombasa. Togoskabosio ritsko ria rero togendrete kuligereria emiyega ayebyama nigo murayokane omukuru bwense Uhuru Kenyatta ojubo igoro muraywe kiamakiria gya Jubilee nere ara omusangirekana bwekiamekyo ya Jubilee oyu arengete kwenana omwerekeo bwekiamekyo n'umusangirekano wikirano nere waziri mukuru w'uburundi bw'ime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i Jeremiah Kioni oyu rumuliki bwekiamekyo gya Jubilee n'abarayibande korwa ase orogongo rwa Gusii ngati yabo Richard Tongi, Janet Ongera, Vincent Kemosi na Asanya negati abarayibalya bayikirana ase ensemeyo. Mwanche murigerera tonyore amariogi na boyigo chinkwana korwa ase umuliki bwekiamekyo Moske Jeremiah Kioni.
Kwa sababu kati yetu tuko na CS Matiang'i, mpigeni makofi. Tuko na members of parliament waliokuwako na walioko wakati huu, wote nitawasoma pamoja. Tuko na mheshimiwa Peter Kimari kutoka Mathioya, ndiye huyo. Mheshimiwa Maji kutoka Kajiado North ndiye huyo. Mheshimiwa Kibe Gitura na pia alikuwa senator, amekuwa ambassador. Kebi Gitura kutoka Murang'a ndio yule mzee wa kazi. Mheshimiwa mwingine mzee wa kazi Mheshimiwa Jenga Mugai. Pieni makofi ndio huyo. Tuko pia na Richard Tongi kutoka pande ya Kisii. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Arama, yule yuko mpaka wa leo. Mheshimiwa Arama, pieni makofi ndio yule. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Senator Janet Ogera. Pieni makofi ndio huyo. Ndio yule pale, asante sana. Mheshimiwa Asanyo kutoka pande ya Kisii, asante sana. Mheshimiwa Governor Kimemia. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi. Fanya uchaguzi 2022. Na katika nominations zetu tulikuwa na dosari. We did not do what needed to have been done by a party of our stature, a party with a 10-year record. Na kwa sababu ya mambo mengi ambayo yalifanyika, tunasema pole. We are now determined to ensure that we bring changes in the National Elections Board so that these coming elections, 2027, are done differently, transparently, fairly, and everybody must be given an opportunity to become what he or she desires. Kwa hivyo, kitu ya kwanza, kwa sababu ni jambo ambalo tuliona, mimi nataka kuwauliza, mnakubaliana na sisi ya kwamba ukiangalia katika notice yetu, nikirudi nyuma kidogo, if you look at our notice ambayo tulichapisha kwa gazeti on the 5th of August, kuna mambo ambayo tunatakana kuyakubaliana leo na yako pale nambari 2. Tuko na haja ya kuangalia mambo ambayo yako kwa katiba. Na tunapoyaangalia, nataka niseme hivi. As we look at the mambo ya 2022 nominations, one of the things that we need to address ourselves to is our National Elections Board.
Okwana somusangire kanuyu muske uhuru niga kwanire bitambukiro ebye kyama kimukire anamuno ase myaka 3 yaitere sateba ekyame kijya jupiri nigo kyaringe ase obo osenigo kere nse yobo mobo azimio ase wegateba chiwiki chire bosyo mbati gotara chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya eri gotinya ekyame kyo ase ebigoli byonsi na ase bisaku byonsi boyo.
At this same venue, ready to begin a process that should have been normal in any mature democracy. A process of rejuvenating our party and infusing it with new leadership, a new crop of leaders inspired by a new generation who would craft our party's future as well as our shared vision for our country. After having handed over the reins of state to a new administration in a peaceful and orderly manner, as you all witnessed, I expected the same for our party. Unfortunately, this was not to be for reasons as explained. You know what you want. It is not for me to tell you. You know what you want. You have the energy to get it. And time is on your side. Musibaki nyuma. In the next few weeks, we shall be rolling out our recruitment strategy across the country. Across generations and gender. This in conjunction with other activities aimed at rejuvenating and reinvigorating our party at grassroots level. Our doors are open for all well-meaning Kenyans, and it is my intention to oversee a smooth and transparent process where it shall be the will of the party membership that shall prevail. Nyinyi wenyewe. To remind Kenyans that the Jubilee Party, as you well know, and for reasons that have just been given, has been largely silent for the last 3 years for those reasons. When we last convened a national delegates conference prior to the 2002 general elections, the party resolved to become a member of the Azimio la Umoja coalition because I, as party leader then and now, was convinced that the coalition and its members shared a common vision for our country. In the years since then, however, the Azimio coalition membership has undergone changes. I don't need to elaborate, nyinyi nyote munaelewa. However, notwithstanding these changes, and as we speak today, the party, as per the decision of our organs, remains a member of what is left of this coalition, and any decision on whether to reinvest in it or leave it will be a decision for the party's new leadership to take.
Avarai ao kurense moyo kwamiriria serikali gati ya Martha Karua wekiama gia PLP, Kalonzo Musyoka wekiama kirekia Wiper, Justin Muturi, Eugene Wamalwa, Rigathi Gachagua wekiama gia DCP ni gowaikira na moyega wekiama gia PLP ose People's Liberation Party ekigekora wanere Martha Karua. Avarai abo ni gowatiana gochia gukora chinkwana unense moyo kwamiriria serikali gose the United Opposition na gosokia oyo mobo oyura chigotemana na Ruto asebo choribori bose bo mwaka 2027 asebate bani gobara chego chama na komokora chi campaign chintindi.
The road ahead will not be easy, but let this conference be remembered as the clarion call. PLP is ready. Martha Karua is ready. Kenya is ready. And together, with humility in our hearts and unity as our shield, we will not only contest an election, we will reclaim our republic.
And today, seeing the PLP giving you that honor, may I say to you, it's just not an honorable thing, it is also a very onerous task you have undertaken. To lead this great party into the next presidential election. But we are here to tell the members of PLP party, Martha Wangari Karua will not walk alone. We will walk with her. We are here to tell you that unity is not an option. It is an imperative of our time. And we are going to make sure we stay united the way you saw us at Liberation House in February. So umetuona bado tuko pamoja.
So I want just to say, Mother, we are very proud of you. We know you've walked this journey together. Some of us have sacrificed. We don't want to also glorify sacrifice. You can never sacrifice enough for your country. And so, 29th, vijana, chukueni kama una kitambulisho kwanza hands up. Kitambulisho na registrar of persons awe mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha kwamba vijana ambao wamefika umri wa miaka 18 bila matatizo yote kuulizwa mambo mengi anapata kitambulisho, kisha baadaye aanze safari ya kuchukua voter registration, awe asajiliwe kama mpiga kura.
Let nobody worry that Mother here is a presidential candidate, Kalonzo Musyoka is presidential candidate, Rigiji is presidential candidate, Eugene Wamalwa is presidential candidate. As the Honorable Mother has put it, let everybody go and mobilize for votes. Go and sell your candidature, sell your vision, and convince Kenyans that you can be president. And then when we sit, as it has been very well explained, we want to assure the people of Kenya that we shall sacrifice. And I and my supporters are ready to support anybody whom we agree is the one to face William Ruto. And I would do it very happily. I only have one disappointment in case I'm not chosen, just one. just one disappointment. I will miss the opportunity to face William Ruto in the presidential debate.
Mwancha murigerea chabutokire chitaika 12 igore CHINSA 10 chiabono murugo waritgere juma ayo negatiari haruni otutu nyangire agendrete gukwarigania chiko guchira senchira yo bwekiranu ibere na boigo inye chubutko bwarero anemuno akumanye amangi korwa ase ensemire ya siasa njengro wakati Nyabuga Kevin Ongeri kuri studio kabere twaru burige borobuya na boigo omorogoba omyo tumirane ritgoria ankyo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo okwerera amabati ayo akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yega ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yaberege kurwa obukorere ase CHINSA mu buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali CHINSA chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuro